The United States government has said President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration must take full responsibility for the health of Zimbabweans, including procuring antiretroviral therapy and ensuring clinics are properly staffed with nurses. Sanamina mashoko atakuona panapa vakomana aiwa vekuUS aiwa vatanga kuataka mutungamiri wenyika vachimuudza mashoko ekuti aiwa he must be responsible newofe yemuzvipatara zvake. Sanamina mashoko munyika panapa kuti wasubscribe or like on the bell kuti kana munhu wakaudana kwamuchinzi. Reports indicated that since Zimbabwe gained independence in 1980, the US has provided over $5 billion in humanitarian and development assistance, including more than $1 billion in the past 3 years alone. The US government has said President E.D. Mnangagwa's administration must take full responsibility for health of Zimbabweans, including procuring retroviral therapy and ensuring clinics are properly staffed with nurses. The United States remains the largest provider of development and humanitarian aid, with the key initiatives like the U.S. President's Emergency Plan for AIDS relief and the President's Malaria Initiative and the Feed the Future Hunger and Food Security Program. However, Trump's administration recently suspended donor support globally. The U.S. Agency for International Development is now working to strengthen its health, development, and cultural exchange programs. In a statement released Wednesday, the U.S. Embassy in Zimbabwe confirmed that, in line with President Trump's executive order on re-evaluating the realigning U.S. foreign aid, Secretary Rubio has paused all U.S. foreign assistance funded by or through the State Development and USAID for review. Ndomashukwana kuda panapa tiona kuti aiwa vakomana veku states okudatira mashoko achiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe kubva vachiwana independence vaingobetserwa aiwa pamahealth services. Vanotara mashoko achiti aiwa vanofanira kuteka full responsibility nehealth yemaZimbabweans just because aiwa vane makore akawandisa varimo pakutonga. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro pechituko ichi pinango musection medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.